A lot of people out there that are trying to start a business are just reinventing the wheel. And in all honesty, they're wasting a lot of time. It's true, time is money. You have to get your LLC, you have to incorporate, you have to let people know about your business, you have to get insurance, maybe a bond, you got to prepare the location, and there's just a bunch of things. You have to get your business cards printed out, everything. And the last thing you want to do about your business is try to learn more or try to reinvent the wheel. That's why I'm here, and I'm trying to tell you that if you want to start a credit repair company, don't buy all the books. Don't sit there and Google search all day long, and you're just wasting time. Time. I'm telling you, time is crucial in this business, and really in any other business. That's why I'm here to suggest Credit Repair Cloud. Credit Repair Cloud is more than just a software. Yeah, it's a software that's making people millions of dollars. It's keeping us organized, it's keeping us on track, and it's helping us make that money. But the training that they provide is top notch. I mean, you start off with learning about social media, how to post on certain social medias. We talk about how to get a license, the laws, how to be in compliance, how to get a logo made, and most importantly, how to fix credit. There is no reinventing the wheel here. They tell you step by step how to do it. Every, I don't know if it's every situation, but I haven't come across an issue yet where I was not trained by credit repair. I believe in it so much that I make these videos. Now, I only made a couple, and I don't know. I hope to get better at it, but for right now, Credit Repair Cloud is the way to go. They will train you, they will get you certified, they will inspire you, they will tell you what to do. So follow the path of those that went before you by clicking the link below in the description, and then be on your way to one of the greatest challenges and life changing businesses that you could ever start. And I wish you the best of luck.